Hello, my dear friends. I am Vyshnavi. In this class, we are going to discuss about a program on Armstrong number or whether the given number is Armstrong or not. What is an Armstrong number? So, let me define you what is an Armstrong number. Armstrong number is a number that is equal to sum of cube of its digits. Let's see an example of a Armstrong number. We have taken an example of a number 153. Now by cubing the digits of a number and adding them, we observe that it is an Armstrong number. Let's develop a program on Armstrong number. Let me explicate about each function and each line in program. Hash include iostream.h and hash include console input output.h. These are header files in C++. We are including two header files for input and output, and conio.h is for clear screen function. Void main, it is the main part of the program and the program starts from here. Clear screen, it clears the output screen. Integer number 1, sum equals to 0 and digit. Here number and number 1 are used to store a number. Sum is used to store the addition or summation, and digit is used to store the digit extracted from the number. Cout, enter a number. It is like a printf in C language. In C++, cout is used. In cout, what the statement is given by user, it will be displayed in output screen. In number, it will input a number. Number 1 equals to number. It stores the value of a number in number 1 because at the end of the value of number will become 0. Now we are creating some loops here. Let's see for which purpose we will use the loops. While loop, number greater than 0. It executes the loop till the number is greater than 0. The while loop stops until when the number is less than 0 or equals to 0. Then we go to another loop, and digit equals to number divided by 10. When we divide the number by 10, we get digit. We can say it as remainder also. Sum equals to sum plus digit into digit into digit. It will add the cube of the extracted digit to the variable sum. Let's see the memory diagram up to this part. We have taken a number 153 and number 1 equals to number, that is 153. Next, digit equals to number mod 10, means 153 mod 10, and the digit or remainder is 3. Next, sum equals to sum plus digit into digit into digit, that is 3 into 3 into 3 and 20. Now number is equals to number divided by 10. When we divide the number by 10, it removes the last digit from the number. We can say it as quotient also. It extracts the last digit from the number and the quotient is 15. This process goes on until the while loop becomes false. Now we are taking if loop. It states that if number 1 is equal to the sum, then it is an Armstrong number. It's fine when it is an Armstrong number. Now, if it is not an Armstrong number, how we get output? We use else loop for it. In output, it will enter a statement that it is not an Armstrong number. Finally, get ch, or we can write return 0 also. So this is the whole program of Armstrong number. Let's check out output now. In output we have entered a number 153 and 153 is an Armstrong number. Thanks for watching.